Hello guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to rename yourself on Zoom. So now you will need to open your web portal or Zoom web portal and sign in with your accounts, and if you don't have already an account, just sign up with your Google account or Facebook or some preset accounts that are associated with Zoom, or you can just sign up with a new email like normal sign up, like add in your personal information like the email, password, username, etc, etc. After you connect into the Zoom web portal, you will just go to my account, and here you will find the navigation profile, or I mean the navigation tab here, and we should go to the profile, and you click on it, and here you will find your personal informations. So here you see your name or the username that you are using with Zoom. So basically you can edit everything that you want here in your account, like your email or the linked account. As you can see, you can associate other accounts, or let's just edit our name. So we just have to click on edit, and here you will find two names. Those are the names concerning your account, and this is the display name, or you can consider it as a username. So this is the name that other participants on meetings will see. So now you can just username, and you will be like this, for example. And if you have some pronouns, you can add them, or just like add some other options. So after you click OK, your display name will be username. So whenever you are going to join like other meetings, you will other people will see you as username, not of not as this first name or last name. So basically, this is how you rename yourself on Zoom. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.